today in topic determinants. We are going to discuss the adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Before we start adjoint and inverse of a matrix, we must know about the minors and cofactors. What are minors? Minors means Minors are denoted by capital M-I-J. And the second thing is cofactors. Cofactors are denoted by capital A-I-J. For any element A-I-J, and this is also for any element A-I-J. M-I-J. What is I and what is J? I means row and J means column. We obtain M-I-J by deleting ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. It means for any matrix 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 3. If we want to know about capital M 1, 2, it means we have to delete first row and second column. First row means this is row and this is column. 1, 1, 1 is first row and 1, 2 minus 1 is second column. By deleting first row and second column, we obtain 1, 2 and minus 3, 3. This is multiplying this and this with minus sign. This is 3 minus 6. 3 plus 6 means 9. For A12 means cofactors. Cofactor is nothing but minus 1 to the power I plus j. If we have to write aij means this is minus 1 to the power I plus j into mij. So for a12 it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 and m12, and this is minus 1 to the power 3 and m12. Minus 1 to the power 3, minus 1 to the power odd number means minus, and M12 is minus 9. So we get A12 is minus 9. By this process, we have to find minors and cofactors. And the topic is to find adjoint. So, adjoint means Adjoint means transpose of matrix obtained by cofactors. Now we know how can we find the cofactors. So by getting adjoint, we first know about the cofactors. Now the given matrix is and the matrix is 1, 1 minus 1. For this, we find adjoint. Adjoint means adjoint A means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33, and transpose. Transpose of this matrix obtained by cofactors. And what is the meaning of transpose? Transpose means we just interchange row and column. And this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and this is A31, A32 and A33. This is the adjoint of A. So for this given matrix A, we first know adjoint A. Using this, we get now first we find A11, A12, A13. This is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, M11. M11 means this first row and first column. We get minus 1 to the power 2, and from here we get 6 minus 3 into minus 1 means 3. So this is 3. M12 means delete first row and second column. First row and second column means we get only 1, 2, minus 3, 3. So this is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. First row, second column. 3 minus of minus 6. This is minus 1 to the power 3 and 3 plus 6 means minus 9. So what about 1, 3? Deleting 1 first row and third column. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. First row this and third column this. This is minus 1 minus 4. So it is minus 1 to the power 4 and minus 5, which is minus 5. Now find A21. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 and M21. Second row, first column. Second row this and first column this. 1 minus 1, 1 and 3. This second row and first column. 3 plus 1. And this is minus 4. M22 means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. A2. M22. This is minus 1 to the power 4 and deleting second row and second column. 3 and 2. 3 minus 2. This is only 1. A23. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 and M23. Again by deleting second row and third column. This is minus 1 minus 2 and minus 1 to the power 5. Minus and minus. This is 3. Minus 1 to the power 5 means minus 1 to the power odd means minus, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So minus into minus is plus. So it is plus 3. And next one is A31. A31 means minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 and M31. This is minus 1 to the power 4, M31. Now, by deleting third row and first column, we are getting minus 3 and minus 2, which is minus 5. And A32 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 and M32. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 means minus 1 to the power 5. And M32 means deleting third row and second column. This is minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 5 means minus, and this is minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 and m33. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 means minus 1 to the power 6 and m33 means third row and third column, which is 2 minus 1. Minus 1 to the power even number means positive and 2 minus 1 is 1, so it is only 1. Now, the adjoint of A. Adjoint A means we are getting a matrix by using cofactors is 3 minus 9 minus 5, 2 1 minus 4, 1, 3 and minus 5, 4 and 1 and transpose. Transpose of this matrix. Transpose we as know that means interchange row and column. So it is 3 minus 5 minus 9 minus 5 minus 4 1 3 minus 5 4 1. This is the adjoint of A. And the second is inverse. Inverse means simply you can say that we can find the inverse of any matrix. No, it's not true. Because inverse of a matrix is only possible when the matrix is invertible. Invertible means a matrix has inverse, and whenever it gets inverse, when it is non-singular. First we know the singular and non-singular. So before we start this, we have to rub out it. A matrix is either singular or non-singular. Singular means if determinant of A is 0, and non-singular means determinant of A is not equal to 0. It means inverse is only possible when the matrix is non-singular. Non-singular means the determinant of that matrix is not equal to 0. So, and the formula for getting the inverse is 1 by determinant of A and adjoint A. Now we know how can we find the adjoint A, and by this formula it is very clear that the determinant should not be equal to 0. If the denominator of any fraction is equal to 0, it means that is not defined. So, for getting this, we have to know about the determinant of A. Determinant of A means this is determinant form 1 minus 3, 3. Now find the value for determinant A. We are expanding about any row or any column. In this case, we are expanding about first row. So, this is first row means first 1 by 1. First row and first column. 1, we are having this, deleting this and this, we are having 6, and minus 3 into minus 1 means plus 1, and in between minus sign, so it is 6 minus 3. And for this second part, minus 1, deleting first row and second column, 3 and minus of 2 into 3 means minus 6, and again minus, which is plus 6, and plus 1, deleting first row and third column is minus 1 and minus 4. So, by solving this, we get minus 11. Minus 11 means not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means determinant is non-singular. Non-singular. It means we can find the inverse of this given matrix. So, inverse is 1 by minus 11, and adjoint of this is adjoint, we are getting reduction. Adjoint of A.